So there was a recent report that came out that said that the average American has between 10 to 20 pounds of unprocessed food in their colon. Now, that's a huge problem because not only does that hinder your ability to lose weight, but it also is a feeding ground. Having all that unprocessed, we're not going to even call it food, all that unprocessed stuff in your colon is a feeding ground for all kinds of diseases and ailments. And so, you know we got a solution, right? I got some for you. You want to try it? So this colon cleanse, it's real simple. It only has 3 ingredients. We have apple, lemon, and ginger. So we're going to use about 5 apples because they're really small. If you have larger apples, you can use fewer. But we have 5 apples, 1 lemon, and some ginger. That's it. That's our colon cleanse. Ready? Let's go. So we're going to chop up our apples first. Then we're going to peel our lemon. Then we're going to add about 1 inch of ginger. And now that we have all our prep done, now it's time to juice. So then that's going to give us about 14 ounces of nutrition to cleanse our colon. Cheers.